FlashRev Cloud Contact Center tutorial for beginners. As businesses grow and customer expectations evolve, the demand for effective and reliable customer support becomes more critical. To meet these demands, companies are turning to cloud-based solutions, and one of the most notable is FlashRev. FlashRev is a versatile, robust, and feature-rich cloud contact center platform designed to help businesses manage customer interactions across multiple channels. From voice calls to live chat, social media management, and email, FlashRev enables companies to provide seamless and efficient customer service experiences. FlashRev's cloud-based architecture means that businesses can enjoy a flexible, scalable, and cost-effective solution for their contact center needs. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, FlashRev offers tools to streamline operations, improve team performance, and boost customer satisfaction. For beginners, diving into FlashRev can seem like a complex task, but with a clear understanding of its features and capabilities, anyone can quickly get up to speed with its use. This tutorial aims to guide beginners through the essential steps of setting up and using FlashRev, ensuring that businesses can take full advantage of the platform's capabilities. Getting started with FlashRev begins with creating an account on the platform. The process is simple, and once you've registered, you'll gain access to the FlashRev dashboard. This dashboard is the central hub of your contact center, where all your operations are managed. From here, you can configure agents, create queues, set up routing rules, integrate with other software, and view detailed analytics. FlashRev's interface is designed to be user-friendly with drag-and-drop functionality, so even those new to contact center management can navigate it with ease. Once you've logged into FlashRev, one of the first tasks you undertake is setting up your contact center queues. In a contact center, a queue is where customer interactions are held until they are answered by an available agent. These queues are essential for organizing and managing customer requests efficiently. With FlashRev, you can set up multiple queues for different departments such as sales, support, billing, and technical assistance. Each queue can be customized with specific rules and priorities to ensure that customers are routed to the appropriate team members based on their needs. In addition to setting up queues, FlashRev offers a powerful call routing system that ensures customers are connected to the right agent in the most efficient manner. The platform supports various routing methods such as queue-based routing, time-of-day routing, and round-robin routing. Skill-based routing allows you to direct customer inquiries to agents with the specific expertise needed to handle the query. Time-of-day routing enables you to control which agents are available at different times, ensuring that customers always have access to assistance during business hours. Round-robin routing ensures that calls are distributed evenly among agents, preventing any one agent from being overloaded with too many tasks. This flexible routing option ensures that every customer query is managed effectively and efficiently, reducing wait times and improving the overall customer experience. FlashRev also offers an advanced interactive voice response, or IVR system, that can be used to automate call handling. The IVR system allows customers to navigate a menu of options, directing them to the appropriate department or agent based on their needs. For example, when a customer calls your contact center, they may be greeted with a message prompting them to select from a list of options such as press 1 for technical support, press 2 for sales, or press 3 for billing inquiries. The IVR system helps streamline the process by automating routing tasks such as verifying account information or providing simple answers to frequently asked questions, freeing up your agents to handle more complex interactions. Once you've set up your queues and IVR system, it's time to configure your agents. Agents are the heart of any contact center, and managing them effectively is crucial to delivering quality customer service. FlashRev allows you to create individual agent profiles and assign them to specific roles and responsibilities. Each agent can be configured to handle certain channels such as phone calls, live chat, or emails, depending on their skill set and workload. FlashRev also supports the creation of agent groups, so you can organize your agents into teams based on their roles, such as support, sales, or technical assistance, by grouping connected to the right person based on their query and the agent's expertise. One of FlashRev's standout features is the ability to provide a multi-channel support system. Unlike traditional contact centers that rely solely on phone calls, FlashRev enables your team to engage with customers through multiple channels, including voice, email, chat, social media, and even SMS. This omni-channel approach ensures that customers can reach out to your business through their preferred method of communication, leading to a higher customer satisfaction. FlashRev's omni-channel capabilities are integrated into the platform, meaning agents can manage all customer interactions from a single interface. Whether a customer reaches out via email, chat, or social media, your agents can handle the interaction seamlessly, ensuring a consistent experience across all touchpoints. To further enhance the customer experience, FlashRev offers real-time analytics and reporting tools that allow managers to track performance metrics and monitor agent activity. This analytics can be accessed from the FlashRev dashboard, providing insights into key performance indicators or KPIs such as call volume, response times, agent performance, customer satisfaction, and more. Real-time reporting is crucial for identifying issues early, such as high wait times or a lack of available agents, allowing managers to address problems before they escalate. FlashRev supporting tools can also generate historical reports, helping businesses identify trends and patterns in customer behavior, which can be used to optimize operations and improve service quality. Another valuable feature offered by FlashRev is its integration capabilities. FlashRev can integrate with a variety of third-party software, including customer relationship management or CRM systems, marketing automation platforms, and help desk software. Integrating FlashRev with your existing tools ensures that your contact center has access to all the relevant customer data, allowing agents to provide personalized service. For example, when a customer contacts your business, the integrated CRM system can automatically pull up their contact history, past interactions, and purchase information, giving the agent valuable context and enabling them to resolve the issue quickly and effectively. For beginners, understanding how to manage and coach agents is essential to optimizing performance. FlashRev provides tools for agent training and quality monitoring. Managers can listen to live calls, review recorded interactions, and provide real-time coaching and feedbacks to agents. This feature helps agents improve their skills and deliver better service over time. FlashRev's AI-powered tools can also assist in monitoring agent performance by providing automated feedback, such as identifying areas where agents may be struggling with certain types of interactions or suggesting improvements in their communication style. Security is top priority for any contact center, and FlashRev ensures that your data and customer information are kept safe. The platform is built with robust security measures, including data encryption, secure access controls, and compliance with industry standards such as GDPR and HIPAA. These security features help ensure that your business remains compliant with regulations and that sensitive customer information is protected from unauthorized access. As you become more familiar with the FlashRev platform, you can explore its advanced features to further enhance your contact center's performance. FlashRev offers tools for automating repetitive tasks such as ticketing, follow-ups, and appointment scheduling. Automation allows your agents to focus on more complex issues, improving productivity and reducing response time. Additionally, FlashRev's integration with AI and chatbot allows businesses to provide 24/7 support, ensuring that customers can get help even outside of regular business hours. AI-powered chatbots can handle simple inquiries, such as order tracking or account verification, and escalate more complex issues to human agents as needed. In conclusion, FlashRev is a comprehensive and powerful cloud contact center solution that provides businesses with the tools needed to manage customer interactions effectively and efficiently. For beginners, the key to getting started with FlashRev is setting up your account, configuring your queues, agents, and IVR system, and integrating with your existing software tools. By utilizing FlashRev's omnichannel capabilities, advanced reporting tools, and AI-powered features, you can streamline operations, improve customer support or satisfaction, and enhance agent performance. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, FlashRev offers a flexible and scalable solution that can grow with your business, enabling you to deliver exceptional customer service across all channels.